esteemed guest of honor, Professor Sanjay Sir, Head of Mechanical Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur. I request Professor Dr. S.S. Razi Sir, Chairperson, Board of Management, ARKA Jain University, to come forward and present token of love and gratitude to our honored guest. Thank you, sir, for this warm welcome. Now, I request our conference co-convener, Dr. Anupam Kumari ma'am, to offer the token of gratitude to our revered Director cum Registrar, Dr. Amit Kumar Srivastav, sir. Thank you, sir, for your unwavering support and guidance. Dr. Amit Kumar Srivastava, sir, our Director cum Registrar, has been a pillar of strength, driving academic excellence and fostering a culture of innovation at ARKA Jain University. Now, I request our conference co-convener, Dr. Anupam Kumari ma'am, to offer the token of respect and gratitude to Professor Dr. S.S. Razi sir, Chairman, Board of Management, ARKA Jain University. Thank you, ma'am. I request Dr. Kirti Rai ma'am to offer the token of respect and gratitude to Dr. Angad Tiwari sir, Director in Campus, cum Dean of Student Welfare. Thank you, ma'am. To officially inaugurate this conference and invoke the blessings of the Almighty, we will now proceed with the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I invite our esteemed guests on the stage for this sacred ritual. Lighting the lamp signifies the dispelling of darkness and unsharing of knowledge and wisdom. Esteemed guest of honor, Professor Sanjay Sir, Head of Mechanical Engineering, National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur. I request Professor Dr. S.S. Razi Sir, Chairperson, Board of Management, ARKA Jain University, to come forward and present token of love and gratitude to our honored guest. Thank you, sir, for this warm welcome. Now, I request our conference co-convener, Dr. Anupam Kumari ma'am, to offer the token of gratitude. Thank you to all the dignitaries, and I request them to take their seats. Dr. Amit Kumar Srivastav, sir. Thank you, sir, for your unwavering support and guidance. Dr. Amit Kumar Srivastava, sir, our director cum registrar, has been a pillar of strength, driving academic excellence and to fostering the divine blessings of Lord Ganesha at ARKA Jain University. Of obstacles and the harbingers of new beginnings. Now, I request our conference co-convener, Dr. Anupam Kumari ma'am, to offer the token of respect and gratitude to Professor Dr. S.S. Razi sir, Chairman, Board of Management, ARKA Jain University. Thank you, ma'am. I request Dr. Kirti Rai ma'am to offer the token of respect and gratitude to Dr. Angad Tiwari sir, Director in Campus from Dean of Student Welfare. Thank you, ma'am. To officially inaugurate this conference and invoke the blessings of the Almighty, we will now proceed with the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I invite our esteemed guests on the stage for this sacred ritual. Lighting the lamp signifies the dispelling of darkness and unsharing of knowledge and wisdom. Thank you, Sania. That was a divine performance. To provide further insights into the conference, I invite Dr. Anupam Kumari ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, School of Engineering and IT, to deliver the welcome speech. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I, Dr. Anupam Kumari, on behalf of Organizing Committee, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh Chaudhary, Director, NML Jamshedpur, guest of honor, Professor Sanjay, HOD, Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Jamshedpur, Dr. Aishwarya Iyer Sir, Vice Chancellor, Professor S.S. Raji, Chairperson, Board of Management, Dr. Amit Srivastav, Director, cum Registrar, Dr. Angad Tiwari, Director Campus, Ms. Richa Garg Ma'am, CFO, Mr. Jasbir Dhanjal, Joint Registrar, Dr. Arvind Pandey Sir, IQSC Head, Dr. Ashwini Kumar, Assistant Dean and Convener of this conference, and faculty members, participants, and my dear students. It is with great pleasure and honor that I stand before you today as the co-convener of this conference.
ARKA Jain University, come forward
Recent
and
Trends
present
in Machine
token of love
Manufacturing,
and
Modeling
gratitude
and Technology,
to our honored
RTMMMT’24. Your presence here today is a testament of your commitment and dedication and passion for the topics we are about to explore together. We are gathered here to share knowledge, exchange ideas, collaboration on innovation will shape the future. This conference is a unique platform and brings together
Thank you,
experts,
sir, for this warm
practitioners,
welcome.
and enthusiasm from diverse
Now,
fields. It is
I
an
request
opportunity
our conference
to
co-convener,
silos foster
Dr. Anupam
interdisciplinary
Kumari
dialogue
ma'am,
and
to
create
offer the token
synergy
of
that
gratitude
can
to
drive
all the
meaningful
dignitaries and I
progress.
request them to take
Our
their
theme of
seats.
this
Amit Kumar
conference is
Srivastav, sir.
challenges encountered and solution in the manufacturing field. For this 2 days, we will delve into a range of topics
Thank you, sir,
through keynote
for your
addresses
unwavering
by
support
Dr.
and
Vishesh
guidance.
Nanjankar,
Dr.
Assistant
Amit
Professor,
Kumar
NIT
Srivastava, sir,
Jamshedpur,
our Director
Dr.
cum
Deepak
Registrar,
Kumar
has
from
been a
NIT
pillar
Srinagar,
of
Department of
strength, driving
Mechanical
academic
Engineering,
excellence
Dr.
and fostering the
Sudhanshu
divine
Ranjan,
blessing of
Associate
the Lord
Professor
initiate
from
at
BSS
ARKA Jain
Goa,
University,
and
obstacles and the
Dr.
harbingers
Thomas
of new
Bandit
beginnings. Now,
from
I
NIT
request
Vellore.
our conference co-convener,
I
Dr.
encourage
Anupam
you
Kumari
to
ma'am,
actively
by
participate,
Ghoshal,
ask
open up
questions,
respect
and engage
and
with your
gratitude
peers.
to Professor
Organizing this
Dr. S.S. Reddy
conference
Sir,
has been a
Chairman,
journey of
Board
hard
of
work,
Management, ARKA Jain
dedication,
University.
and collaboration. I would like to take a moment to thank organizing committee, editorial committee, and technical committee, without whom this event would
Thank you,
not
ma'am.
have been possible.
I
Your support
request
and tireless
Dr.
effort are
Kirti Rai
greatly
ma'am
appreciated.
to offer the token of
In
respect
closing, I
and
would like to
gratitude
reiterate
to
my
Dr.
warmest welcome to
Angad
all of you.
Tiwari
I am
sir,
confident
Director
that
in
this
Campus
conference will be
from
a
Dean
rewarding
of
and
Student
enriching
Welfare.
experience for everyone involved. Let us make together the most of this opportunity to learn, share, and grow together. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. To officially inaugurate this conference and invoke the blessings of the Almighty, we will now proceed with the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I invite our esteemed guests on this prestigious sacred region. Lighting the lamp signifies the dispelling of darkness and unsharing of knowledge and wisdom.
And dignitaries, please come forward. With the esteemed presence of our dignitaries, we are now ready to officially commence the National Conference on Recent Trends in Machine, Manufacturing, Modeling, and Technology. Let this inauguration be the beginning of an inspiring
Thank you,
and
Sania.
fruitful
That was a
journey
divine
of the knowledge
performance.
and collaboration.
To provide further insights into the conference, I invite Dr. Anupam Kumari ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, School of Engineering and IT, to deliver the welcome speech. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I, Dr. Anupam Kumari, on behalf of organizing committee, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh Chaudhary, Director, NML Jamshedpur, guest of honor, Professor Sanjay, HOD, Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Jamshedpur, Dr. Aishwarya Iyer Sir, Vice Chancellor, Professor S.S. Reddy, Chairperson, Board of Management, Dr. Amit Srivastava, Director, cum Registrar, Dr. Angad Tiwari, Director, Campus,
Thank
Ms.
you to
Richa
all
Garg,
the
Ma'am,
dignitaries.
CFO, Mr. Jasbir Dhanjal, Joint Registrar, Dr. Arvind Pandey Sir, IQSC Head, Dr.
Guest of
Ashwini Kumar,
honor,
Assistant
Professor
Dean and
Sanjay
Convener
Sir,
of this
Head of
conference,
Mechanical
and
Engineering,
faculty members,
National
participants, and
Institute
my
of
dear students.
Technology,
It
Jamshedpur.
is with great
I
pleasure
request
and honor
Professor
that
Dr.
I stand
S.S.
before
Reddy
you
Sir,
today as the
Chairperson,
co-convener
Board
of
of
this
Management,
conference.
ARKA Jain University.
It is
Come
my
forward
pleasure
and
Represent
present
in
to
machine
invite
token of
a
love and
manufacturing,
visionary
modeling,
leader
gratitude
and
whose
to our
technology,
strategic
honored
direction has been a
RTMMMT’24.
cornerstone of our
Your
university's
presence here
achievements.
today is
Professor
a testament
Dr.
of your
S.S. Reddy
commitment
Sir, our
and
Chairman, Board
dedication
of
and passion
Management, has
for the
played a
topics we are
crucial
about to
role
explore
in
together.
steering ARKA Jain
We are gathered
University
here to
towards new
share
heights.
knowledge, exchange
Please join
ideas,
me in
collaboration
welcoming Sir for
on
his address.
innovation will shape the future. This conference is a unique platform and brings together
Thank you, sir,
experts,
for this warm
practitioners,
welcome.
and enthusiasm from diverse
Now,
fields. It is
I
an
request
opportunity
our conference
to
co-convener,
silos foster
Dr. Anupam Kumari
interdisciplinary dialogue
ma'am,
and create
offer the token of
synergy that can
gratitude to
drive
all the
meaningful
dignitaries. Director
progress.
from Registrar to
Our
take their
theme of
seat.
this
Amit Kumar
conference is
Srivastava, sir.
challenges encountered and solution in the manufacturing field.
To accept as
For
the
this
chief guest
2 days, we
in
will
this
delve into a
two-day
range of
Thank
topics
you, sir,
through keynote
for your
addresses
unwavering
by
support
Dr.
and
Vishesh
guidance.
Nanjankar,
Dr.
Assistant
Amit Kumar
Professor, NIT
Srivastava,
Guest of
sir,
Jamshedpur,
honor,
our Director
Dr.
cum
Deepak
Registrar,
Kumar
has
from
been a
NIT
pillar
Srinagar,
of
Department
strength,
of Mechanical
driving academic
Engineering,
excellence
Dr.
and fostering the
Sudhanshu
divine
Ranjan,
blessing of
Associate
the Lord
Professor from
initiate
BSS
ARKA Jain
Dr.
University,
Anupam,
obstacles and the
Dr.
harbingers
Thomas
of
Department
new
of
Bandit
beginnings.
Mechanical
Now,
from
I
Engineering,
NIT
request
Vellore.
our conference co-convener,
I
Dr.
encourage
Anupam
you to
Kumari ma'am,
actively
by
participate,
Ghoshal,
ask
open up
questions,
respect
and engage
and
with your
gratitude
peers.
2024
the
year
National
Professor
Organizing
Dr.
this
S.S. Reddy
conference
Sir,
has been a
Chairman,
journey
I
of
want
Board
to
of
have
hard
your
work,
Management,
attention.
ARKA JAIN
dedication,
University.
and collaboration.
Why
I would
I
like
want
to
to
take a
have your
moment to thank
attention,
organizing committee, editorial committee,
as a matter
and
of
technical
fact,
committee, without whom this event
recently,
would
Thank you,
not
ma'am.
have been possible.
a
I
Your
month
support
request
back,
and tireless
Dr.
effort are
Kirti
greatly
we had
Raimam
that
to
appreciated.
national
offer the
election.
token of
In
respect
closing, I
and
would like to
gratitude
reiterate
to
my
to
warmest
Dr.
welcome to
Pankaj
all of you.
Tiwari
I am
Sir,
confident
Director,
that this
Campus
conference will be
from
a rewarding
Dean of Student Welfare.
experience
Dr.
for everyone
Anupam
involved. Let us make together the most of this
daughter to me.
opportunity to learn, share, and
Politics,
grow
though she is
together.
not in
Thank you.
politics,
Thank you, ma'am.
to call me
Officially
earlier,
inaugurate this conference and invoke the blessings of the Almighty. We will now proceed with the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I invite our esteemed guests on this 61st birthday to light the lamp signifies the dispelling of darkness and earth-sharing
I would like to
knowledge and
request all the
wisdom.
guests and dignitaries to please come forward. With the esteemed presence of our dignitaries, we are now ready to officially commence the national conference
As a
on
matter of
recent trends
fact,
in machine,
I want to tell
manufacturing,
you because
modeling,
I'm
and
also,
technology. Let this inauguration
in the field
be
of
the
life
beginning
science.
of an inspiring
Thank you,
and
Sania.
fruitful
That was a
journey
I want
divine
to tell you
performance.
that
knowledge
the
and
life
collaboration.
expectancy
To provide further insights into the conference, I invite
the people
Dr. Anupam
in our
Kumari Ma'am,
country
Associate Professor,
have
Department of
increased.
Mechanical Engineering, School of
Previously,
Engineering and IT,
some
to deliver the welcome
50 years
speech.
back,
Please, ma'am.
it was 60 years. Now it has come to 70 plus. How it
Good
has
morning,
come to
everyone.
70 plus?
I,
It
Dr.
is all
Anupam Kumari,
due to
on behalf of
the
organizing committee,
advancement
extend a
of
warm and
the
heartfelt
medical
welcome
science.
to our chief guest, Dr.
There is no doubt
Sandeep
in
Ghosh
it.
Chaudhary, Director, Animal
But
Jamshedpur.
here I want
Guest
to
of honor,
connect the
Professor
medical
Sanjay,
science
HOD,
with
Department of
the
Mechanical Engineering,
mechanical
NIT
engineering,
Jamshedpur,
that is the
Dr. Aishwarya Iyer Sir, Vice Chancellor,
machine manufacturing.
Professor S.S. Reddy, Chairperson, Board of Management,
Nowadays,
Dr. Amit
the
Srivastava,
doctors, they
Director,
depend
cum Registrar, Dr. Angad
on the
Tiwari,
machine.
Director, Campus,
for
Ms.
an
Richa
example,
Garg, ma'am,
I take,
CFO,
uh,
Mr. Jasbir Dhanjal, Joint
cardiology
Registrar, Dr. Arvind Pandey Sir,
there is a
IQC
ECG
Head,
machine.
Dr.
Guest of
Ashwini Kumar,
honor,
Assistant
Professor
Professor and
Sanjay
Convener
Sir,
of this
Head of
conference,
Mechanical
and faculty
Engineering.
members,
With that,
partners, and my
they
dear
come to
students.
know about the
It is with great
condition
privilege
of
and
the
honor
heart.
that I stand before you today as the first
Chairperson,
convener
How the
Board
of
of
this
Management,
conference.
ARKA Jain University.
It is my
Conference
pleasure
recent trends in
Present
machine
Dr.
manufacturing,
Abdul
modeling,
Rahman
and technology,
While
cornerstone
RTMMMT’24.
of our
Your
university
presence here
achievements.
today is a testament of your commitment
our chairman,
and dedication and passion for the topics we are about to explore together.
steering ARKA Jain
We are gathered here to
towards new
share
heights.
knowledge, exchange
Please join
ideas,
me.
collaboration
Welcome, sir,
on
for
innovation
It is
will
through
shape the
machine.
future. This conference is a unique
Many
platform
type of
and brings together
Thank you, sir,
experts,
for this warm
practitioners,
welcome.
and
by
enthusiasm from
laparoscopy.
diverse
Now,
fields.
Very
It is
I
an
request
opportunity
our conference
to
They used to
co-convener,
established foster
Dr. Anupam Kumari
interdisciplinary dialogue
Ma'am,
and create
offer the token of
synergy that can
gratitude to
drive
our
meaningful
dignitaries. Director
progress.
from Western
Our
Arctic,
theme
Sir
of this
Amit Kumar
conference is
Srivastava, sir.
challenges encountered and
where
solution
the
in the
director of the animal,
manufacturing
there
field.
is some defect.
To accept as
For
the
this
chief
2 days, we will
Nowadays,
delve into a range of
it is
topics
Thank you, sir,
you know
for your
addressed
unwavering
by
Or for
support
that
and
matter,
guidance.
Jankar,
Dr.
Assistant
Amit Kumar
Professor and
Srivastava, sir,
You
our
know that
Director
Dr.
from
Deepak
Registrar,
Kumar
has
from
been a
NIT
pillar
Srinagar,
of
Department of
strength, driving
Mechanical
academic
Engineering.
excellence
Dr.
and fostering a
Srivastava
divine
Ranjan,
blessing of
Associate
innovation.
Professor from
ARKA
BSc
Jain
Srinagar,
University obstacles and
Dr.
challenges
Thomas
of
Benedict
new business.
from
I request
Bello.
our conference co-convener,
I encourage
Dr.
you to
Anupam Kumari Ma'am,
actively
Vice
participate,
Chancellor,
ask
to open
questions,
this
and
respect and
engage with
gratitude
others.
with you, Professor
Organizing this
Dr. S.S. Reddy
conference
Sir,
has been a
Chairman,
journey of
Board of
hard work,
Management, ARKA
I would
Jain
like to
University.
and
inform you
collaboration.
that
I would like to take a moment to thank organizing
is
committee,
the one of
editorial
the
committee,
largest
and technical committee,
manufacturer of
without whom this event
Recently,
would not have been possible.
a
Your
month
support
back,
and tireless
Dr.
effort are
Kirti
greatly
Raimam
that
appreciated.
national
offer the token of respect
See, I
and
would like to
gratitude
extend
to
my
Dr.
warmest welcome
Pankaj
to
Tiwari,
I am
sir,
confident
Director
that
of
this
Campus
conference will be a rewarding
of Student Welfare.
experience for everyone involved. Let us make together the most of this opportunity to learn, share, and grow together.
Thank you, ma'am. Officially inaugurate this conference and invoke the blessings of the Almighty. We will now proceed with the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I invite our esteemed guests on the stage to of darkness and earth-sharing knowledge and special guests and with the esteemed presence of organization in India, we are now ready to officially commence the National Conference on Recent Trends in Machine, Manufacturing, Modeling and Technology. Let this inauguration be the beginning of an inspiring. Thank you, Sania. That was a divine performance and collaboration. To provide further insights into the conference, I invite Dr. Anupam Kumari Ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, School of Engineering and IT, to deliver the welcome speech. Please, ma'am.
We had that car where now it has come to accelerate, or we used 70 to start plus by handle.
Good morning, everyone.
70 plus.
I, Dr. Anupam Kumari, on behalf of organizing committee, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our
it is a push
chief
button
guest,
that has come.
Dr.
There is no doubt
Sandeep
in
Ghosh
it.
Chaudhary, Director, NML
Previously,
Jamshedpur.
it was
Guest of honor,
the
Professor
medical
Sanjay,
science
HOD,
for the
Department of
diesel.
Mechanical Engineering,
Mechanical
NIT
is
Jamshedpur.
better than the diesel.
Dr. Aishwarya Iyer, sir,
But now
Vice Chancellor,
machine
Professor S.S. Reddy, Chairperson, Board of Management, Dr. Amit Srivastava, Director,
You don't have to
Registrar,
change from first
Dr.
grade to
Angad
fourth
Tiwari,
grade
Director,
or
Campus,
to fourth.
Ms. Richa Garg, ma'am,
Automatically it
CFO,
will change.
Mr. Jasbir Dhanjal, Joint
Cardiology,
Registrar,
Now
Dr.
it is
Arvind
going to-
Pandey, sir,
There is
IQACH,
machine.
Dr. Ashwini Kumar, Assistant Professor of this conference, and faculty members, participation by the It is a great privilege and honor that I stand before you
inform him
and
that
ARKA JAIN University.
They wanted to have an MOU with ARKA JAIN University.
Cornerstone of our
Your presence here today is a testament of your commitment, dedication and passion for the topics we are about to explore together. We are gathered here to share knowledge, exchange ideas, collaboration on innovation will shape the future. This conference is a unique platform and brings together experts, strategists, and enthusiasts from diverse
I
fields.
always feel
It is an
happy
opportunity
when we see these smiling faces of
foster interdisciplinary dialogue and create synergy that are meaningful. Our theme of this conference is challenges encountered
So
and
my
solution in the
whom I want to
manufacturing
that you are in the best, and I can tell you
For
all of them
these
they are
2 days,
well
we will delve
nowadays.
into a range of topics
you, sir,
we must
for your
address.
unwavering
Dr.
support and guidance.
Dr.
They always go for something or the other program. Yes, to enhance the knowledge of the faculty member to
Without
note down
whom
the
this event would not have been possible. Your support and tireless effort I really appreciate it.
research
See, I would like to engage
write it down. who was there, you give it to him, then we will get together and then we will inform on the government. The government also depends on us. So the research is one very, very important thing. In a simple way, I want to tell you that what is research, as a matter of fact, the more you give of value, the more you give of value, the more you get of
the national conference on research
the more you
in machine
learn,
manufacturing, modeling, and technology. Let this inauguration be the beginning of an inspiring Sania that was a divine performance and collaboration.
to our students.
To provide further insights into the conference, I invite Dr. Anupam Kumari Ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, School of Engineering and IT, to deliver the welcome speech to these
And I had that car. My younger brother, Ashwani, who is not here, accelerate or reuse I'm also thankful to him.
Good morning, everyone.
Especially to Dr.
Dr. Anupam Kumari, on behalf of organizing committee, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Randeep Ghosh Chaudhary, Director, Animal Subsidiary,
The moment I came,
Professor
I got
Sanjay,
offered
HOD, Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT
Thank you very
Jamshedpur,
much.
Dr. Aishwarya Iyer Sir, Vice Chancellor, Professor S.S. Reddy, Chairperson, Board of Management,
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating words and steadfast support. Your vision continues to guide us towards excellence.
Mr. Jaspreet Dhanjal, Joint Registrar, Dr.
It
Arvind
is
Pandey
my
sir,
great honor to introduce our guest of honor, Professor Sanjay sir, the esteemed professor and head of Department of Metallurgical and Mechanical Engineering at NIT Jamshedpur. Professor Sanjay sir brings a wealth of experience with over 25 years of professional expertise spanning both industry and academia. His industry experience includes the inspection of oil and gas pipelines, steam and gas turbines, pumps, blowers, pressure vessels, and structures. He has worked with leading industries such as Tata Projects and Revenue Engineering and Industries, where his contributions have been invaluable. To academia, Professor Sanjay sir has been a guiding force, imparting knowledge and fostering innovation among students and researchers. His extensive background bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, making him a distinguished figure in the field of mechanical engineering. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Professor Sanjay sir. We are eager to hear your valuable insights and perspectives. Please, sir.
Delegates, faculty members of Mechanical Engineering Department at ARKA JAIN, delegates, students. Thank you for inviting me into this occasion. The two-day conference on mechanical engineering, various topics of mechanical engineering. I have been in Jamshedpur, with NIT Jamshedpur, for around 25 years, almost 24-25 years. And before that, as I have been introduced earlier, I had 6 years of industrial experience. Why I am saying so is because very few people in academics have an industrial background. So, I mean, it's not that you cannot student as such, you cannot go to the industry and cannot come back to the experience from that point of view. I'm talking about these things. That I started my career in 1992 in cross-country petroleum pipelines with Ford. And I was in the inspection pipeline was being laid from Bathinda to I think Kandla-Bathinda pipeline was as such 1323 kilometers, of which full load was being was given around 400 something kilometers. Delay. It's called a buried cross-country petroleum pipeline. As such, technically, if you say, the lines are either 18-inch or 22-inch in diameter. They were API 5L pipes from the classification point of view. API 5L pipes, that is API stands for American Petroleum Institute, 5L pipes. These were the two diameters, and they were CP coated and HDPE coated for corrosion protection. They were 10 meters each in length, and they had to be field welded, and there are various processes involved in its laying, and because it used to conduct through it, truck used to move slow, then safety was of grave concern. So I have worked in various areas, including hydro testing, radiography, and other aspects of petroleum industry. Whereafter I joined civil engineering industry
For your motivating words
at
and
Allahabad,
support. Your
which
vision
was
right
market leader in steam turbines, especially supplying to sugar plants, paper plants. The capacity ranging from 0.5 kilowatts, okay, from 500 kilowatts, sorry, 500 kilowatts, right up to 20 megawatts. Okay, these were the entire range of steam turbines that it was manufacturing. There also I was with inspection. Later on, after 1 year or so, I was assigned to a new project of manufacturing of 30 megawatt steam turbine with Alstom of France. After 2.5 years, I left civil engineering industry limited and joined Tata Projects as a third-party inspection engineer, and wherein that experience I was able to do inspection, third-party inspection of all sorts of equipment, including rotary free, reciprocal free, structural, pressure vessels, you name it. And the challenge with that particular assignment or job was that when we went in the morning, we did not know what we had to inspect. It could be a steam turbine, a gas turbine, something that we may not have inspected even earlier, not even seen, but we were briefed by our seniors. This is how you have to go about it, and sometimes even happens. That was the challenging part. Sometimes even happened our seniors did not know what is being inspected, and they had also not done an inspection of this way. But we said we go confidently there, ask them, learn from them, and do the inspection. And which we were able to do. After around 5-6 years of industrial experience, I decided to join academics in department. I have a background in academics from my parents for education. My father was a professor of MIT Allahabad. In fact, he is also an author of 7 books in thermal engineering, textbooks in thermal engineering. The first one he wrote in 1972, and he completed his PhD from IIT Delhi. Anyway, so I have that background. So this is what brought me back again to academia, and there I did my thereafter I did my PhD from there itself, and later on promoted to professor in 2008, and I have various experience from those people about what my profile is already available. Anyway, coming now to this particular, so I'm sure this experience that I have related is of interest to the students who are here and even faculty who are here. You may have some industrial experience, and I will always say that an industry man can make a good teacher. Okay, if you get a chance to go to the industry, even during summer, I will ask the management of ARKA JAIN to promote this call that there are a lot of industry around Jamshedpur, so you can have a 1 month assignment in the industry of your interest and be there for some time. That will improve your research knowledge, capabilities, and as such broaden your horizons as an engineer. Okay. Coming now to final presentation, these are the two related to the topic of HDP quotation for this particular conference. They were 10 meters each in length, and they had to be steel welded. They are on this process of what in its lane, and because used tool used to make flow, and safety was of great concern. So I worked in various areas, including hydro testing. You can do that later, okay? And the last thing I think you are able to make this
for your motivating words.
we'll do that later.
Your will
Thank you so much, sir. It is my great honor to introduce our Chief Judge, Dr. Sanjeev Ghosh, sir, the esteemed Director of the National Metallurgical Laboratory and Safety. Dr. Sanjeev Ghosh, sir, is a distinguished leader in the field of metallurgical and material engineering. He currently serves as the Director of NMA, where he has laid groundbreaking research and development manufacturing. He has also been a visiting professor at several prestigious institutes worldwide, including the Institute of Iron and Steel Technology at Kiel, Germany, the Institute of Welding and Material Science at Graz, Austria, and the Institute of Physical Metallurgical at the University of Gießen, Germany. His exemplary contribution to the field has been recognized with numerous awards, such as Metallurgist of the Year 2015 by the Ministry of Steel, Government of India, and the Next Indian Institute of Metals and Young Engineers Award in 2000 by the Indian National Academy of Engineering, and the Alexander von Humboldt Fellowship in 2000 by the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation, Germany. Most recently, he delivered the prestigious Dr. A.K. Memorial Lecture in 2023, organized by the Indian Institute of Metals. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to the sir as he addresses us with his insightful thoughts. Please, sir.
Department. I have a background in academics from my Professor Rajeev, the Honorable Chairperson of the Board of Management of ARKA JAIN University, Sanjay from Jamshedpur, and Dr. Anupam Kumari, who is instrumental in leading this and dear participants and all the faculty and members of this university and the students who are present over here. Thank you very much for inviting me at this, because I didn't come to this part of Gamaria here itself. So when I was coming with this driver, I was asking where exactly it is. So ultimately from the main stream, we entered into the others and then into the forest. So it was very particular. Nowadays that we are talking about global climate change and new emissions, so I think you are in a big environment. You don't face those problems what you face in Jamshedpur. Of course, you are in greater Jamshedpur. I won't denounce you that you are not in Jamshedpur, but you are in greater Jamshedpur. But compared to us, your pollutions are quite low. So you are basically right. The campus, it is a green campus. So when this from Professor S. Kumar, I was looking through these topics and I found that I have an odd man out. Because these people talks about machines, people talk about manufacturing. I was thinking, but when I see those topics being covered, I found there are a lot of things that are really processing, technology, cutting and all these things. So I said, little bit I fit into those things. Now when we talk about the machines, I think today our life starts with this small machine. And today morning, unless unless they are alarm clock inbuilt into this, or of course in my case also the alarm clock inside this, it doesn't ring up, I don't get up. So it starts with the mobile phone, and of course it ends because you do it in a, put it for charge.
charging because after chatting so much with a lot of friends and others, it also requires some food. So once the food will be there, and after that only we can go for sleep. And in between, throughout our 16 hours time lag in the daytime, especially places, without mobile we can't go out.
We'll do that later.
Now Jamshedpur is a modern city. We are very good in terms of, because this machine invention was started going long back. The steel is
My great honor to introduce our teacher.
or in our own country, the power loom chemistry. Always we have nice techniques, our giants or and all these things. But they all came from the earlier days. We have this machine from Bangladesh or the silk saree from our power loom people. So this power loom is another invention for us. Today once you go to the technology station nearby Aditapur and all these things, you can find the So recently I saw this one of the videos in Manipur because I had a visitor there. So I was looking for that from where he is coming. He said, no, most of the things will travel by car, not by helicopter. Because helicopter is cheaper, helicopter is cheaper than your distance car. I said, why? He said, half an hour I can travel, where the car will take me because it is totally hilly area and it will take me about 2 days. So for them, this steam engine is still, or electric engine is still a dream for them. So when you talk about advancement of our machines, manufacturing, and all these things are for smart cities like Jamshedpur. We don't talk so-called smart cities, but at least we have a smart city in a city where we are all physically needs our physical amenities are fulfilled. But there are parts of the country where those basic needs are not there. So when we talk about the recent trains, we have to think about all those things. That whether those electricity or those machines which is required for our day-to-day life or for economical growth of the life, whether it is present there or not. So once you are working as a, now you are in the student stage, but when you grow up as a professional, your major target will be on those areas. That how to get those advanced machines in the area. Because once you grow up in your research career, today we are one of the buzzword today in the country is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Or you might have seen those pictures of a lot of years in that we have to make it in the research domain, and your professors have been saying you that most of the places we look for not only the brand, we look for that who is going to service the machine. Because today I am using one machine, tomorrow you will be using machines, both our hands are different. So there are plenty of students who are coming in machines. So unless and until the machine is rapid enough, it cannot withstand the so many operations by different hands. So it requires service engineering. And today our service engineering is not so competitive. I am not saying that they are not competent enough in engineering. They are obviously competent in engineering, but in that particular machine, because we don't manufacture the machine anyway. So what we have to depend on that is, we have to go to the outside party, mostly if you talk about big machines. And you know that in the case of mobile phones, earlier days it was Sony, Ericsson, Nokia, unfortunately they faded out, but it is Samsung. But now it is Chinese, that is that Xiaomi and the Redmi and the Samsung. But we do not know what way, we do not know what time it is going to spoil or going to down. Because all of your important data is now in mobile phones, and you do not know when it will stop working. So the things come up, everybody is saying, and can predict that now the time is coming. Because it says to the people, elderly people says, or it is a need, that when a person goes to die, it says that he gets some kind of a signature, that his time is going out to smaller and smaller and smaller. But we do not know what happened to those machines. Today we have the advent of artificial intelligence. I think this is a very fantastic thing because this artificial intelligence and machine learning, they are database. There are two examples, like if you plot 3 or 4 data points and you try to get the best fit out of that, then is it manual or is it parallel? So you put a y is equal to x plus c, a nice curve, nice straight line, and then you get the best fit out of that. And if you really want to find it, it is not knowing anyone, then you have to do some more work on that. But if the data is not linear, or if the correlation is not linear, most often it happens that there are some polynomial involved, then how you take care of it? The polynomial when you're talking about, some cases the value is 2, some cases the value is may not be 1. we have the data. I don't know anything about the physics of those things. Then how can I explain those things? So this artificial intelligence can take care of those things. And when we are students, we used to do all these things in game, as a game kind of thing. That we call it a non-linear regression analysis. That's an abstract. In a very crude manner. But now artificial intelligence is done far ahead of this. Today we have it in the machines. We have several kinds of effects. Let's talk about that. This is running up to architecture where we have a lot of rolling wheels or a lot of extension wheels. Like nowadays, all these your windows are aluminum, aluminum panels. So it doesn't get extended. One of the, I think there are few plants there in Alipur instance. Now during those things, what happens is that we take aluminum blocks, make an extrusion, we find at least 2 millimeter plates. But in the meantime, if there is a crack generated, the whole thing has to be generated. Now why the crack generated? There are several things. Either in the die geometry there is some problem, or the lubrication is not proper, which mechanical engineers are working beyond the out, which we don't do. We only talk about the materials and aluminum which is used for this. So the strain hardening coefficients and all these things we deal with that, and we are expert on that. But there are other factors, manufacturing, like how the die angles will be. There may be some possibility that you are trying to put it in a very obtuse die angle, so if you can make it a little wider, or you make it a several steps in the process, so that from 14 millimeter you don't come down to 2 millimeter, that also from 40 to 2, and there is possibility that you can give some kind of thermal thing, so that also can lead to that stress relaxation on the process, you can get a smooth surface of those things. So those are the things are today's requirement. We can't go back to Germany or we can go back to the USA for making those things, that how it will be. So what we want to do all those things is that we will be very critical about how we can improve upon the day-to-day life of our manufacturing agencies, because these manufacturing agencies are going to supply all these things to the automotive. And there are small components. We did something for this, in the trucks. There is a we talk about all IC engines and all these things, and nowadays people talk about your electric. And today there is another which I came across 2 days back, that we always talk about green. So from that IC engine, we move to the electrical. So completely the engine geometry has been changed. But there are people who are working that the engine is the same. But rather than the fuel, the gasoline or petrol, so what will be changed? Hydrogen into this. So the output is no CO2. Output is again green thing is coming up. But in the process, you don't change your design geometry or the engine design, but you are putting a different fuel. Now, how to take care of the fuel along with this? Because hydrogen, you know that zero light, so to control the flow properties, because it can go very high speed on that, so that, and also this reaction. We always talk about that there will be some reactions where the temperature is also. Temperature sometimes is required, temperature sometimes is not required. Like, you know that our Chandrayaan is there, in that we will require liquid propellant. This hydrogen, when it required, reacts with those things and form H2 or other products. In that case also, there will be atomic reactions, and in what case, will water. So, what that engineering material should be. When you talk about the IC engine, it is a high temperature. So, I am thinking about, okay, high temperature material which can resist the high temperature. Now, when you talk about the other side, now you think about what the material can do at low temperature. Because low temperature, there should not be no liquid, otherwise hydrogen will go out and your car cannot move. That generally happens. There is a petrol leaking all this. So these are the things you have to take into account by using those modelings, because nowadays we have fast computers, we have parallel computing, and we have not only small computing, RAM, which is a high RAM. And you can see that modern technology are also saying that there are like people who don't have the computer, but as we government organizations, high-end computers, we follow the government norms. So I recently found the norms have changed, and now the RAM is given at 60 megabytes for a desktop computer. So i7, yes, I can buy an i7, but earlier I have only i5. So the people and the government is also changing because of the trends which is shown by the people across the globe. And it is not only that desktop, nowadays the workstations are there. But on the workstations there are cloud computing, there are cluster computing, all these things are coming to the picture where in a fraction of one picosecond, fraction of picosecond you can get there. Only it depends how once you put that submit button or the return button in your this terminal. Don't say that it is a desktop terminal in that case. So these are the things nowadays to be taken care Fortran 77 and C++, but nowadays we have several fourth generation and fifth generation languages are there, Python, Java, and all these things. Our time, GNU plot, I think it came from USA only, because I didn't know to use it in Kanpur, so everything used to come from here. And we have big computer center at that time across India. Everything is something called the GNU plot is there. But the GNU plot, now in the origin cloud, your life is more comfortable nowadays. You don't have that power. So with this, I will conclude, but I will look into these aspects, that machine manufacturing and what this software, of course, that when we talk about the modeling and all these things. But kindly think about, because today we don't require to buy software from outside, because the moment you buy the software, it's like so that let me take a software called Clean 3 or 2 and 3. We work with Clean 3, but now 2 and 3 is also there, which is doing that computation fluid dynamics. Like when you do this kind of a casting, like hot metal is poured in material and then there is a heat transfer in 3 directions. In that piece is taken care of all these things. But how to take care of all these things? Or if the geometry has been changed. Nowadays another advantage has come up, that is the additive manufacturing, where it is the borderline between mechanical and metallurgy, chemical and others. Because now we don't say that the machine can be replaced. The machine is comprised of several small components. Now we don't try because that particular part is gone. We can manufacture that particular component through the additive manufacturing. Even the additive manufacturing can help us in getting a complex machine. Earlier we had 6 or 7 components out of that. But this machine, through the additive manufacturing, can be made into one component. So it's just a matter of design, that how we put the design in the material. And to that, either with the powder bed or by the water additive manufacturing, you can do those things. And not also is not that you can say that it is the depth of that equipment, rather you can say that the part of the equipment is possible if you use this additive manufacturing in a proper manner. And this additive manufacturing also adds into the productivity. Because all these things you do is increase productivity, increase efficiency, decrease downtime, so that the periodic maintenance can be maintained in a really periodic manner. No abnormal maintenance is required in a particular plant or during the process itself, because that will delay the downtime or the production in a proper sequence. Today, if you go to any of the automotive manufacturers, you know the assembly line, because when we were students, assembly line was the only thing where it was very exciting things to see, that the people are working in a particular place and they are sitting into the car. But after that, nowadays, if you go to any modern plant, in China or somewhere else, there is a Volkswagen plant and others, we find after this thing is done, assembling has been done, then somehow this car has been put in the car, and there are some racks are there, and the car is moving at a slow speed, and there are several lights. It looks like earlier the James Bond movie, that the car is moving line by line, and there are several signals are coming up, because these are the sensors. And today you know that another buzzword, IoT, Internet of Things, devices. So they all work together, and someone is sitting in the control room, you can check that after making the assembly, one of the cars, there are several cars are there, but after making the assembly, sensors can give the data, and that can be logged in at the proper format, like the way you use the data format in your particular programming. Similarly, the data can be stored, and from there you can check that which particular parts in particular car component is malfunctioning. So immediately they can check and they can replace it. So that's the advent today. We got it through this kind of manufacturing your equipment, but unfortunately some of the things are not in our country. But when you talk about the recent trends, you must think of all these things can come up in our India itself, so that we don't have to depend on the others. We cannot depend on the other countries that kindly give it to us, and then only we can work. Because if they stop talking, if they stop giving it to us, then we have to think about that we have to use the other resources or other sources for making this. Thank you once again for inviting me, and I hope this particular conference will be a big success of the 2 days. Thank you very much. Our time,
Thank you so much, sir. I request all the guests and the dignitaries to please get to your seats down to the stage. And I request Professor Sanjay sir, please present your PPT.
with this, I will conclude. but kindly look into this aspect that machine manufacturing and what these software, of course, when you talk about the modeling and all these things, but kindly think about it, because today we don't require to buy software from outside, because the moment you buy the software, it's like the process. So that what you take a software called Green Tree or your 2M Tree, we work with Green Tree, but now the 2M Tree is also there, which means that population is really dynamic. Like when you do this kind of a casting, like hot metal is poured in material and then the heat transfer in C direction, in that pieces they put and clear up all the things. But how to take care of all this? Or if the geometry has been changed. Now the another advantage has come up, that is like additive manufacturing, where it is the borderline between biological and metallurgy, chemicals and others. Because now we don't say that the machine can be replaced. The machine is comprised of several small components. Now we don't try because that particular part we talk about all the manufacturing that particular component through the additive manufacturing. Even the additive manufacturing can help us in getting a complex machine. Earlier we had 6 or 7 components out of that. But this machine, through additive manufacturing, can get it into one component. But it's just a matter of design, that how you put the design into that material. And through that, either it's a powder bed or by the water additive manufacturing. So how to and not also is not that you can say that it is the best of that equipment, rather you can say that this part of the equipment is possible if you use this additive manufacturing in a proper manner. And this additive manufacturing also
Good afternoon. I see a lot of students here and faculty obviously and some delegates. Coming now to the keynote address which I have been asked to deliver on the current topics on mechanical engineering. So as such, this particular presentation is titled Future of Mechanical Engineering and Overview, okay, where mechanical engineering is expected to go in, let's say, next 10 years, 15 years and so. Especially it is targeted, in fact it is targeted both at the faculty as well as the students. Both of us should be aware, both of you should be aware of what is expected of you in the balance of your careers that are there. In case of students, it could be 30 to 40 years. In case of faculty, it could be next 20 years. So what is there to come and what needs to change? What are the things that we have to keep in mind? And the most important, we have to learn to be lifelong learners. This is very important, especially for this generation, students as well as faculty. Because of the reason that things are changing very fast. Even though in mechanical engineering they are as such changing not as fast as in the circuit branches, for example, computer science or electronics. But still, if we are not careful, if we are not becoming self-learners, lifelong learners, we may become obsolete, both faculty as well as students. Next please. Okay, so the outline of this presentation as such is Industry 4.0, which is one area which requires special attention for both students and faculty. Secondly, the robotics, which is related to Industry 4.0, robotics, that is industrial robotics, as well as is when steam engines, which were used to power these production machines, were replaced by electrical motors. Okay, this is what is second industrial revolution. Third industrial revolution is related to automation in production, where you have programmable logical controllers embedded into the system, and you can control when a certain system will stop, change direction and things like that. And finally, the fourth industrial revolution, even they are talking about fifth industrial revolution, Industry 5.0, but let's not talk about it now, because of the reason that India as such almost missed the Industry 3.0 bus. Okay, and we are somewhere between 3.0 and 4.0 in terms of manufacturing. And globally, as such, they are talking about Industry 5.0, 5.0, not just 4.0. So we missed the bus somewhere in Industry 3.0. Okay, next one. Okay, I have a small video. इसको run करो. हाँ, run करो. I don't know if you can see it.
The fourth industrial revolution has begun,
properly.
and you have the chance to be part of it. This isn't going to be like before. It's not about the steam that powered our factories in the first revolution, or the mass production model that dominated the second, or even the emergence of computer-driven systems from the third revolution that we're living in today. Industry 4.0 is about connectivity. It's an opportunity to radically change the way industry responds to the needs of society. As previous industrial revolutions were led by innovations in manufacturing processes and systems, the advancement of Industry 4.0 will be driven by a smart, interconnected, pervasive environment. The opportunities for disruption are huge, and those left behind will feel it acutely. There is still space for leaders of this new revolution to emerge, but the race has already started. Understanding what current leaders are doing will help you join KPMG formally examined what those trailblazers are doing in their factories and their offices, and revealed some thought-provoking findings. Our research highlighted a number of areas that current Industry 4.0 leaders are focusing on. Leaders are planning ahead with clear strategic vision, driven by performance, and tying investment to proven opportunities for growth, progress, and innovation. They are focused on discovering how smart products and processes can be developed. Integration is key. The major players are moving away from isolated silo-driven development, which limits scope and value of new projects. Instead, they are moving towards large-scale and proactive integration across